cooking shows. Yan. So this is her first cooking show. So thank you very much, Gwen, for your time and your family for accepting us today. Okay? So, ano-ano ba ang mga gagawin natin today? Ayan. So, anong nakwento ni Mami na gagawin natin today? Nakwento ba ni Mami na may pupunta? Wala, okay. Anong kwento ni Shelly na gagawin natin today?
Demo. Just demo.
Demo. Okay, that's good. So, let me explain what are we going to do today. Si ate, anong yung? Lovey. Okay. So, madaling matandaan, Lovey. So, what are we going today? Is the latest cooking technology merged with the latest cooking methods. Yan. Our engineers have been able to do things that nobody else has when. You will see food prepared today, which is good fat, low cholesterol, heart healthy, and guilt-free. Perfect na perfect dun sa husband mo, yung ating daughter, and especially the kids. Ayan. So, ano mga kakainin natin today? Okay. Ano to? Brunch ninyo. The first in our list is the lechon kawali. Crispy lechon kawali, pero piprito natin siya walang gamit na mantika. Okay? So, we're going to have crispy pork belly without using oil.
Okay po.
Okay. So, second in our list, magluluto tayong sinigang. Sinigang na walang tubig, pero pag naluto may sabaw.
Galing.
Okay? Ayan. Third is yung
May
ating... Ayan, yan. Lulutuin natin. Nagluluto ba si Lovey? Okay. But normally, ikaw nagluluto dito. Ayan. So, magluluto tayo ng pansit, bihon, and canton. Normally, Gwen, ilang oras kayo naabot sa... minutes.
For pansit?
Oo.
Walang
Less
gagawin
than-
sa phone ni Daddy, mahulog yan.
Yes, okay. So, we're going to cook our pansit today in just 10 minutes.
Really?
Yes, may pansit na tayo.
10 minutes?
10 minutes. So, instead na magpansit canton na instant noodles kayo, you can have it ng bihon and ano. So, ganyan pag meron na kayong plato. So, maiwasan na natin yung mga instant noodles. Okay? Ayan. So, yun ang mga kakainin nyo today.
May meat siya.
Yeah, tama na natin.
Anong
Pork.
meat na? Pork?
Yeah.
Talaga
We
sa
can use,
kalambot?
yeah, we can use chicken.
So,
we
first
can use-
sinigang, kunyari ganyan, ilang minutes to prepare?
Preparation natin, tanggalin natin yung preparation. Yung ginawa ko kanina, yung pag-cut-cut. Pero yung luto natin 20 minutes.
20
Yes.
minutes.
Yeah, I'll show you later. So, mag-enjoy kayo sa cooking show
Kahit
natin.
walang pressure cooker.
Yes,
lalambot siya.
yes. Ayan. Okay, so everything that I'm going to show you today, lahat yan is available for you to invest in, whether today or in the future. Okay? Having said that, wala po kayong obligasyon bumili sa amin. Pero, pag nagustuhan niyo po yung aming product, let me know kasi meron akong gift na ibibigay sa iyo. Saying thank you for investing.